Hey, David. Let's make a delicious banana chocolate oatmeal cake. We have all the ingredients we need.
Absolutely. I'm ready. First, we need to grind Dad's oatmeal into coarse grains.
Right, then mash the bananas our neighbor gave us. It'll make the cake more moist and tasty.
Yes, next, let's melt the chocolate. We can use that leftover chocolate powder for this. It'll save some time.
Absolutely. After melting the chocolate, mix it with the mashed bananas and then add the ground oatmeal.
Then pour the batter into the baking pan and place it in the preheated oven.
Remember to set the right temperature and time, and then wait for the cake to bake. The whole room will be filled with a tempting aroma.
Yes. After the cake is baked, let it cool a bit, and then we can add some chocolate chunks as decoration.
Exactly, the last step. Enjoy the delicious banana chocolate oatmeal cake we made together and celebrate our efforts.
Sounds great. Let's get started. I can't wait to taste our creation.